How to log in Amazon Prime with another account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can log into Amazon Prime with another account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to log into Amazon Prime with another account, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and basically launch the Prime Video or the Amazon application. Once you launch Prime Video, let's say you're signed into one of your accounts and maybe you want to sign into some other accounts. In that case, what you only want to do is first of all tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right, you want to simply make sure to tap the gear icon that is at the top right hand side again. Once you tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, you're going to see this type of interface where you'll find this option known as sign in as my account, and it says sign out of all Amazon accounts. To log into another account in Amazon Prime Video, you have to log out of your current account. Only then will you be able to log into some other account. To do so, just tap on it, tap on the sign out option. I'll be successfully signed out. Now what I can do is I can simply go ahead and log into my another Amazon account that I have. This way I can log in Prime Video with another account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.